How create tiny planet effect in Photoshop. First, go to Image Rotation and choose the 180 degree. Go to Filter, Distort and choose the polar coordinates. Select the rectangular to polar. The next thing here is make a selection of the model or whatever you want to remove background. Then you can use any selection tool that you like. I'm already creating that selection. Once you have the selection, let's apply the mask icon. Then select the Move tool. Drag the image and drop it into the new background. Press Ctrl-T to select the free transform tool. Click and drag handles to resize and position the model. Hit Enter or Return once you're satisfied. Create a new layer. Click the foreground color and choose the black color. Press Alt-Delete to fill it with black. Go to Filter, Render and choose the lens flare. Set the brightness to 100% and choose 105 prime. And change the blend mode to screen. And position the lens flare to represent the sun, placing it with the light. And that's it, hope you liked it.